In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an octagon with the distance of 2 units across its corners. Then afterwards, we're going to calculate the length of this shape. To begin, we're going to use the circle command, and we're going to choose center diameter. I'm going to click here in the graphics area to identify the center point of the circle. Then next, I'm going to identify the diameter as 2. Then I'm going to my Polygon command, and the first question is going to ask me is the number of sides. It's going to be 8 for an octagon. It's going to ask for the center. I'm going to choose the center point of my circle. Next, it's going to ask inscribe or circumscribe, and for the distance across the corners, it'll be a inscribed shape. So we'll type in I. And then finally, we can use the edge of the circle as our clicking point. So I'm going to choose this quadrant option. If you do not have the quadrant option available, make sure you go to your object snaps and make sure quadrant is selected. So I'm going to click on the edge, and this prepares my shape to be 2 inches across the corners. To verify, I'm going to delete my circle now, go to my dimension command for linear. I'm going to select the top point, the bottom point, and again I should have 2 inches. To calculate the length of this shape, I must select it, right click, and go to properties. Here in the properties section, I have my length at 6.1229. This concludes this video.